The wolf is one of the most fascinating and misunderstood animals in the world. It is a symbol of both danger and loyalty. Wolves live in packs, and they have a very strong social structure. Each pack has a leader, called the alpha, who makes decisions and protects the group. Wolves are excellent hunters. They work together to chase and trap their prey. They usually hunt deer, elk, and other animals. Wolves also communicate using howls, which can be heard from miles away. A howl can be a warning, a call to gather, or a way to mark territory. Although people are often afraid of wolves, they are not dangerous to humans unless they feel threatened. In fact, wolves play an important role in nature by keeping ecosystems balanced.